I gotta take the sink out. Here we go. Hey guys, I just wanted to go over a couple things just so that you know the tools that I'm using and maybe things I've learned along the way. Got a guy that I've been in contact with over Instagram, Sam. Hey Sam. And he was asking what am I using for the countertops in our TrailManor. And we found this material was inside of this sale, you know, kind of giveaway cart that they had. And the stuff is called, I'm gonna go back down here with the camera, ELVARLI, I think is maybe how you say it. Basically they're shelves, from what the guy at IKEA told me, 31.5 by 14.1/8. So it's sort of a strange size, but basically I'm just cutting them to size. And so here's one that's the countertop over top of the refrigerator. And this seam I'm just going to fill with a clear caulking. I think you can kind of see it. It's kind of a pain in the butt and I don't like it, but it is just our trailer. And the great thing about this material is it's really lightweight, which is what you want in a trailer, but it's also really durable and strong. So I finished this top section over here. I actually took our microwave oven out only because we never ever use it when we're camping. This was a challenge, getting the sink unhooked. These aren't even the hooks actually, but there was these hooks underneath that we had to use I had to unhook the sink with, that they've got it from moving around. Getting my hands to these nozzles so that I could undo these two, the hot and cold water, was a trick. It was a little difficult. I also wanted to point out a recommendation that I got from Christy at My Backyard Beach on Instagram. Thank you so much, Christy, for the paint that I used for the refrigerator, which led me to the paint that I used on the shroud above the bathroom. So let's start with the refrigerator. For the refrigerator, I used this Rust-oleum Appliance Epoxy, which I didn't even know existed, but Christy did, so that's awesome. So we just like masked the world out of everything because we had already painted all the blue. So we put all this like masking tape, and I used the blue masking tape, which I had been using frog tape, but frog tape sticks pretty hard, and it's so hot in the trailer right now that I was noticing that, if you can see right here, the blue was getting ripped off when I would pull the masking tape off. I know that part of that is because we left the masking tape on too long, but I just didn't want to risk it coming off more. So I used the 3M blue painter's tape, which is a little bit more lightweight. Now you're asking the question, wait a minute, what happened to all the diagrams on here and how are you gonna know what's what? My son, who's a really good artist, he took a photograph of everything that's on here and he's going to paint everything on again. Or we could make them out of maybe with a label maker or something like that. But anyway, that's how we're going to put everything back on so we know where all the settings are. When I was standing there looking at the spray paint, all of a sudden it was like, vinyl? Wait a minute, druggy? So that led me to this shroud right here. It was tan and kind of nasty looking. And yeah, I got the vinyl spray paint and used that on this piece of vinyl that's hanging from the ceiling around the bathroom. Mask everything, and I just sprayed all the way around here. Now, word of warning about that stuff. That spray paint is wicked. Now, I do have asthma, but even my boys were like, Dad, you know, they don't have asthma. They were like, Dad, it's super strong. Make sure you open all the windows and get your place super ventilated, because the fumes from that paint are really, really, really strong. So just a word of warning. Now I'm gonna get to work. Hey guys, exciting news. The pillows and cushions showed up last night from my sister Chris. Thank you very much, Chris, for doing that for us. So it's awesome, look beautiful. And here they are. Let's go check them out. So there's our new gray cushions that we got and from my sister. And those are some pillows that my wife ordered. And so we started putting up some of the curtains last night. Just getting excited. We also at IKEA got these boards. There's one there. There's one that's got on the cabinet right there. And I think we're going to hang that there. And they have these little hooks. I don't know if I have one or not, but they have these little hooks and these little things that can hook onto them, like these little bins right here. These can hook on and you can put junk in them. This one's actually like a little shelf that hooks on there. And oh, here's some of the little hooks. You can see them on the end right here. I'm going to work on the countertop today, and then I'm going to do all of this countertop also. And I'm going to do it out of the stuff I told you about before from IKEA. go over a couple things with you. I think this will be the last video before the big reveal. And it's really only a big reveal to the point that we get it to. We do have a trip coming up, so we're not going to get everything done that we're hoping to get done, especially the bathroom. That's one of the big things. So I just invented this. I don't know that it's right. I don't know that it's wrong. So far it's working really well. So I'll let you know how that goes. I put in the DAP Kwik Seal Plus Kitchen and Bath Adhesive Caulk mixed with, or right along, the Titebond wood glue. And with just some grab and pull lightly kind of tests, it's pretty strong. So far all the screws were done with this universal Rust-oleum Universal Gloss black spray paint. That seems to be working really well on all of the screws and on the frames around all of the windows. Oh yeah, and I did the threshold as you walk into the trailer. I did that in this paint also. So far those materials have worked out really well. About the solar panels, my friend Rich came over and he wired it, so a huge thank you to Rich for ordering all of that. I can go back and I might put it in the notes, all the different pieces that we ordered. I'll show you what I ordered on Amazon. He told me to order it. He's the brains behind that project. The solar panels are from a place in Covina here in California. It's called ELS. Found my 3 panels were $89 each. They're not the Renogy ones, so Rich had to do some finagling on the clips and stuff on the back side. But he did have me order a bunch of pieces again. I'll put them down in the notes. That's what's going on. There's our trailer. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this. And I gotta say, a huge, huge, huge thank you to my wife and my 3 boys. I could not have done this without you guys. All the painting that you guys did, it was really a huge, huge help. And just a lot of other things too that you guys did. So thank you to my wife and my boys, who I love very, very much. And can't wait to go on vacation with and share some of God's beautiful creation with while we drive. So anyway, see you next time.